Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on CUBOT King Kong X. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click on Continue, and here you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete Account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click Sign In. Now you have to enter your screen pattern again, and here you have to enter your email address. And then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Then click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.